In this video, I'm going to show you how to read an IRS transcript and explain what the common IRS codes mean. First, look at the top of transcript to identify the tax year, form number, and type of transcript. Below that, you'll see a list of transactions with three main columns: transaction code, cycle date, and amount. Transaction codes are three-digit numbers that explain what happened on your account. For example, code 150 means your tax return was filed. Code 806 indicates a credit like withholding. And code 846 means a refund was issued. Other common codes include code 971, which shows an IRS notice was sent, and code 570, which indicates a temporary hold on processing. The dates next to these codes show when the action occurred or is scheduled to occur. By understanding these codes, you can track your refund, spot delays, and know when to contact the IRS. Learning how to read an IRS transcripts help you stay informed and resolve tax issues more confidently. So that's it.